If you want to set up app timers on Samsung Galaxy S25, then in that case we need to open settings. Now we need to scroll down until we find digital, well-being and parental controls, and let's go over here and then scroll down again to find app timers here. Now in order to quickly set up a timer, we can use one of these suggestions and we can press the set timer button, or we can tap on this panel itself in order to create the name for the app timer. We can select items that will be apps that will be included in the timer. So for example, we can choose all audio apps that we have or just specific ones, and of course multiple different things can be created at once, and you can also create multiple different app timers. So for example, I'm just gonna choose audio as the category as a whole and then press down in the bottom right corner. We can also create the schedules, so in which days of the week the timer should be working. So for example, I'm gonna choose whole week actually, and then let's press save, and there we go, we have app timer created, and that is all. Now every time you go to the app, as you can see, in some cases you can be run out of the time. If that is the case, then you want to go back to the digital well-being settings and you can tap on the timer in order to adjust the time, because I guess we have missed that. So we can set up, for example, 2 hours, and we have 2 hours left, and in this case every app that is included in that timer will count towards that timer as well. So whether you use in this case, let's say Spotify for 1 hour and then YouTube Music for another hour, it will collectively be 2 hours, and they both are counted here. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.